Good morning. My name is Bob Jackson. I'm the Grant County Emergency Management Director. We're here today, March 20th, 2020, to conduct a joint press conference with the Grant County Health Department and Marion General Hospital. Up speaking first will be Dr. Moore, Health Officer.
Thank you, Bob. Good morning. I am Dr. William David Moore, Grant County Health Officer, and as we're presiding over the administration of this response to this emergency, the pandemic started initially in China, but it is now a worldwide thing. It's a virus that none of us have met before, that our immune system is not prepared, has not had any experience dealing with, and so it's going to be an infection that's going to spread very rapidly. It appears it seems to be more communicable and perhaps more deadly before. We had, as the health department and as our emergency response, said that we are watching over what's happening both in our city and in our community with a commitment to you that when we knew more, that we would respond to you with information that we have. So we now have our first index case in Grant County. We have been monitoring the level of response. Our best response at this point has been social isolation, because currently we have a treatment for the coronavirus. So it is isolation, social distancing for those who are sick or ill to contact your provider. The CDC and the State Health Department does have some guidelines for what to do, and that is to contact your provider. Her provider has information about what are the symptoms. The symptoms are basically symptoms that you may well see with the flu and severe. If you've been in contact with people that could be positive for the virus, or if you've been in places in the world, not just in Asia, where it's known as positive, or if you're getting sick, they will to information that's testing need to be required. Now that there has been an index case, share with you what we're going to try to keep the citizens safe.
Thank you, Dr. Moore. I'm Ava Turner, the Grant County Public Health Nurse. The next step that we will take on our end is we will conduct a contact tracing. So we will be in contact with the Grant County residents and people that they have been in contact with, so we can notify them and give them their next step as to what they need to do for their possible exposure.
Those of us in the delivering care in the healthcare community have made a commitment that our health department and our hospital will work in conjunction and work together to try to ensure our good health. And we have two representatives from Marion General Hospital.
Thank you, Dr. Moore. I'm Sarah Evans with Marion General Hospital, and I'm accompanied by Dr. Dean Myers, who is the medical director of our laboratory services. And we're here just to assure the community today that we are here to meet and help with the needs of this virus spread. And as Dr. Moore indicated, the best option is if you are experiencing symptoms or have concerns about potential exposure, that you contact your primary care provider. And we have set up a call center for those that have symptoms that need to be directed as to how to take the next steps to seek treatment. And that phone number is 765-660-6999. That call center is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so that we can do a phone screening with patients or potential patients who need to understand their symptoms and potential treatment options. So please utilize that call center number. Again, that number is 765-660-6999. Should you have symptoms or questions about potential treatment.
Okay, so we knew at some point we would get to this point, and we've been planning. There's been preparations made. So caught off guard With that, if there are any questions in the future for the media, point of contact will be the Grant County Health Department. Feel free to send your questions and call that. Also contact my office, Grant County Emergency Management. Also the Health Department is the lead agency on this. We will conduct all our future press releases will be done from this location and in the same manner. So we'll use the same contact list we have for the future press releases. The Grant County Commissioners have asked me to remind the public of just a couple things. We did increase travel restrictions as of yesterday. So we're at a watch level, which is orange. We can look at it on the map, on the state DHS map. What we're really asking is that you limit your travel to just essential stuff. We want you to be able to go to the store, get your groceries, maybe get a bite and eat something to take back home. Obviously, medical appointments, those kind of things. We want that to still continue. We still are allowed to travel to and from work, trying to keep as much normalcy going as we can. We don't want to hurt our businesses any more than we already have. So really keep that in mind. Some things that you can do. I know today's probably not the best day, but when the weather gets better, go outside, walk your dog, work in the yard. Hopefully this summer everybody has the best yard food they've ever had. Spend some time there. Just stay away from other people. A lot of things you can do without social interaction. Do the best you can. Stay busy without contact. Blood drives. I'm sure, Sarah, is there anything that works at this point? Okay. We did have a good turnout yesterday. That's great. There again, we get those. We'll get any of those get planned. We'll make sure to get that out to the people. That's a critical need at this point. So with that, we'll conclude what we've done here today. Appreciate your time.